Hey everyone! If you're trying to open Discord in Russia and it just won't load, no messages, no voice channels, nothing, you might be dealing with a full-on Discord ban. Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unban Discord in Russia, safely and easily, using a method that actually works. You'll also find a link in the description to NordVPN, the tool I personally use to bypass restrictions and get Discord working again. Discord has been temporarily banned or restricted in Russia multiple times. This usually happens during political events or protests, social unrest, government efforts to limit communication apps. This isn't a user ban. It's a countrywide block imposed by your internet provider or national firewall. That means the app won't load, you can't join servers, or even log in properly. The best and safest way to unban Discord in Russia is by using a VPN, a virtual private network. A VPN changes your IP address so it looks like you're in another country, encrypts your internet traffic, hiding it from your ISP and government, lets you bypass censorship and fully access Discord, voice, video, messages, and more. Free VPNs usually don't work in Russia. They're either blocked, too slow, or insecure. That's why I recommend NordVPN, obfuscated servers to beat censorship filters, fast and reliable for voice chat and gaming, a 30-day money-back guarantee so you can try it risk-free. Here's what to do. Step 1. Click the NordVPN link in the description to sign up. Step 2. Choose your plan and create an account. Step 3. Download and install NordVPN on your device. Step 4. Open the app and go to Settings, Auto Connect. Enable obfuscated servers. Step 5. Connect to a server in a safe country, like Germany, the Netherlands, or the US. Step 6. Open Discord. It should now load completely and everything will work. If Discord is still not working, try this. Switch to a different NordVPN server. Restart the Discord app or your device. Clear Discord's cache, especially on desktop. Try changing VPN protocols, NordLynx or OpenVPN TCP. Usually one of these quick fixes does the trick. So that's how you unban Discord in Russia quickly and safely. Use NordVPN with obfuscated servers to get around the ban. Connect to a safe location and enjoy full access to Discord. Use the link in the description to get a special discount on NordVPN and try it completely risk-free. Still have questions? Ask in the comments. I always respond. Like the video if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more Discord guides that actually work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.